Hello guys, welcome back to the Linktree trading video. In this one we're going to be doing a breakdown analysis on the ticker WMT, which is Walmart. Firstly, their earnings are this Tuesday coming, so August 17th. So that's just to be wary of when giving these price targets. We are also considering the move. So if we quickly go over to the option chain, the markets are estimating a move of around $5.70. So yeah, between $5 or $6 is what they're estimating to move, which is quite good because that matches up with the price targets I already have, and that's to the upside. I think we could go up to around $154.50 to around that $156.50 area. This is most likely going to be the highest we will go. Even if earnings are quite good, this is probably the top that we will see it go to. However, we are right now at this 149 to 150 area, which is around this deviation or second deviation on a statistical basis. So for right now, until Tuesday, we will most likely stay and hold in this range until earnings are released. Once earnings are released, we could gap down or up, depending obviously on the numbers. If we gap up, we will most likely gap up to this 154 to 156 area. However, if earnings are not as good as expected, we will probably go down to around the 145 area to 144 area is more likely where we'll gap down. Now, if you're looking maybe to buy up this stock a bit, I personally would be waiting for a low risk entry, and on a statistical deviation basis, that would be around the $133 area to around that $135 area is where I would start beginning to open a position. This is probably not going to happen all that soon unless a lot worse than expected. That's the only way we would probably see a gap down that far. However, what's more realistic is we will hover in this area until Tuesday, and then on Tuesday we'll probably see a move either to the upside or downside. Again, if we move up to the upside, we will either gap up here or move slowly up this 154 to 156 area, and then we will probably start to see it reverse back down, have some hesitation in this 150 to 149 area before breaking down further, and coming back into our targets more of around 145 to around 144. Whereas where I would be looking to lock in profits if I'm shorting. However, if earnings aren't as good as expected and it instead gaps down, we will probably get a bounce or some hesitation around this 144 to 145 area. We may even bounce off this back up to around 149, but then we will probably continue lower and come into the statistical mean, which is around 138 to around 140. And this is more likely an area we will hover at. Unless earnings are a lot less than expected, then we could see a push down to 135.25 to around 133.50, which is the areas I would start looking to personally open up a position and get long. So that's it on the breakdown analysis on Walmart. I hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace.